We'll guide you through how to completely uninstall Python from Windows. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
This method works the same for both versions, so you can follow along easily. First, we will check if Python is currently installed on your system. To do that, just go to your Windows search bar and just type cmd and hit enter. This will open your command prompt, and in the command prompt, just type the following command. Just type python space double hyphen and version and hit enter. If Python is installed, you will see the version number of Python displayed on the screen. This confirms that Python is currently installed on your computer. Now, let's begin the uninstall process. Go back to your Windows search bar, and in the search bar, just type control panel. And just open the control panel, and from here just click on the view by and make sure it is selected to category, and you will see a programs, and inside programs you will see an option labeled as uninstall a program. Just click on uninstall a program, and from here just search for your Python. You can even use these icons to change your view. So let's just search for our Python, which in my case is going to be here, as this is the version that is been displayed. So this is the Python. Just click on it, and you can click on uninstall, or you can just right click on the app directly and click on uninstall. Just click on yes if prompted, and the uninstallation process will begin. So just wait for the uninstallation process to finish, and once it finishes, you will see a message saying that uninstall was successful. Now you can just go ahead and close this window. Also, just go to your file explorer and go inside local disk C and look for any folder labeled as Python. If you find one, simply right click on it and delete it. This folder usually contains leftover files from installation. Next, we are going to check the app data folder. To access it, just press Windows plus R key on your keyboard, and in the Run tab, just search for %app data % and click on OK. And after the file explorer opens, just scroll down and search for Python or pip. And as you can see, this is the Python. I'll just select it and right click on it and click on delete, like so. And after that, just go to the app data and go to local. And from here also, search for any folder for Python or pip. In this case, there is a folder for pip. I'll just select it and right click and click on delete. Once you have removed this folder, your system should be completely cleaned for any remaining Python files. Now, we will confirm that Python is uninstalled, and make sure to open new command prompt. Just type cmd and hit enter, and in the command prompt, just type the following prompt. Just type python space double hyphen and version and hit enter. This time you should see a message saying Python is not recognized. This confirms that Python is no longer installed on your system. Now there is one more step to fully clean up. Just go back to your control panel like so, and in the list, look for Python launcher. Just select it and right click on it and click on uninstall and click on yes.